How to recover Snapstreaks in 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can recover your Snapstreaks if you've lost them. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let us get started with today's video. So you might have been snapping someone on Snapchat, let's say for example, and you had a good snap streak, and all of a sudden you suddenly lost that snap streak and you were 100% sure that you didn't send a chat within the 24-hour window, but instead you sent a snap. However, your snap streak got cancelled, and if that is the case, I will show you some of the ways on how you can hopefully recover your snap streak. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing we are going to do is simply open any of the browser which we have on our phone. Once you open your browser, whether it be Google Chrome or Safari, anything, you have to simply type in the search box and then simply go to the URL called support.snapchat.com. So I'm also going to leave this link down in the description box. You have to simply go to support.snapchat.com. Once you go to support.snapchat.com, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. At the very top, you have the search bar which says what can we help you with. All you have to do is simply tap on the search box, and over here you'll find the option which says Snapstreaks. If you don't find Snapstreaks, you can also simply use the search bar and type in Snapstreaks. If you found it in the suggestions tab, you can simply tap on the Snapstreaks option. As soon as you tap on Snapstreaks, you'll be able to see this interface which says I have lost my Snapstreaks, and right over here you can see this option which says let us know. Let me just go ahead and zoom in a little bit. You can see this blue button which says let us know, which is highlighted in blue basically. So all you have to do is simply tap on that blue button. As soon as you tap on let us know, again you can see contact us and how can you help. Over here you have the fourth option which says I've lost my snap streak. So let me just pinch in and show you. You can see this very option which says I've lost my snap streak. You have to simply tap on this option, and then I'm going to zoom out and come back to the original resolution. Over here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options, but we will ignore all of that and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'll see that we have this form right over here. The first form basically means you have to enter your username and then your email address associated with that Snapchat account and your mobile number, as well as the device on which you were using Snapchat and then you suddenly lost your snap streak with. And then you want to enter your friend's username one at a time with whom you lost your snap streak with. So you might have lost your snap streak with, let's say, X username. You have to simply enter their username over here. And you can really also enter when did you start having this issue, as well as how long was your snap streak before it expired. Now you have to be careful in this place, because let's say your snap streak was above 100 when you lost your snap streaks, but then you enter a number, let's say 80 or 120 or 60 or 70, Snapchat will think that is not reliable and that it is not you. So you have to be careful on this and simply enter the closest possible number. Let's say your snap streak was 100 before you lost it, you have to at least enter 95, or let's say 92, 99 or something else like that. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and fill in all of these details, and at the bottom you'll find this option which says send. You can tap on this button send in order to send your report, and Snapchat will usually get back to you within 2 to 3 days period of time. And if they think your reason is valid and that you really lost your snap streak, they're going to help you with ways you can recover it. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.